Miss J, oh. Ayos kami ng, yung dryer vent, oh. Ayan.
Thank you so much, Kuya.
Ayan. Dryer vent. Tapos hook natin yung power maya-maya. Alrighty.
Hi!
Ayan na, oh. Ano yan?
Hi!
Mayaman dan, mayaman.
Mayaman ka na. Mayaman sa utang.
Okay.
In the life.
Busy?
Hi!
Nakita. Ready? This is for the dryer. There's a dryer connection here, guys. So gold is always hot, and silver here is always neutral, and the green is always ground. Dancing in the dirt.
Kuya, nagkaon ka?
Oh,
Ha?
hindi pa.
Oh, ikaw.
Look at that. Wala. Make it
Safe.
safe every time. Temporary na parang di kay mag-add pa lang ka. As a spare for someday if you added
One more.
one more textures.
Hindi kayo makamit na anak.
Oh, may gusto mo kulit yun eh.
Oo.
Mm.
Nakalive ba?
Video ko? Ano ka live na?
Oo.
Oh, ayun. Kasi akala ko silicone mo. Ayun. Almost done here. Ito is a mayaman J. Lucky Mountain.
Pag sure diha.
Just like that. Mayaman ng Rocky.
Yaman sa utang. Ang dato gani ka nang wala ka trabaho.
Bitaw.
Ang gatuan daw sa balay pa. Walang dato.
Oo. Talaga na? Okay na?
Okay na?
Wala pa. Yan na. Ayan. Tapos just break here on right. Tapos salamat sa BJJ.
At na i-close.
Sa video lang kung naman eh. Open mo i-close.
Wala pa.
Please contact J Clearwater if you guys need electrician and plumbing. Yeah. Right, Jay? And
Just contact Roman of all trades.
yeah.
Support local, hey?
Yeah, now. Okay, Jay. Thank you, Jay. Things plug in and that one. Okay, turn it on, see what happens. Done for today. The washer is hooked up now. Look at this. Yeah. There's you're welcome. There's a dryer and the washer is hooked up. All right, Jay.
Thank you!
Bye.
Bye!